So this past month has been wild. We have selected our apartment and I'm so excited. We painted end tables, coffee table, bookshelves, dressers.
Seven days out, already 70% packed. I call that a win.
We're going to have a bigger bedroom, bigger closet. We're gonna have a freaking office and a living room and a kitchen and a space that's just going to be ours, and I'm so pumped.
I think we're actually really prepared somehow. I was a little nervous we weren't gonna be prepared, and we are 100% prepared.
Of course, everything's organized, and of course, we managed to pull it together because
wow. Now it's just like here. It's like right there. We're finally gonna be South Carolinians.
we packed up our entire lives and voted a U-Haul. Today is the day we packed the U-Haul. This is our car-only file. After all the hard work, saving money, and driving 10 plus hours, we are finally here in Greenville, South Carolina. Welcome to our new apartment. So our apartment is in the west end of downtown Greenville. We're living in a 2-bedroom apartment, and we have converted our 2nd bedroom into our office space. So let me show you around. So as soon as you walk into the apartment, you hit the kitchen, which is beautiful. So we have our snack cabinet, and then my favorite cabinet in the kitchen, we like to call our party cabinet. We have a little washer dryer unit. We have these little S&Z wine cork holders, which we will fill up at some point. The living room is my favorite room in the entire apartment. The colors just pop. The elephant quilt was made by Zach's mom, and it is beautiful. I'm in love. Somehow we managed to make all of our blues match, which we kind of just winged that part, to be honest. But I think the living room looks fantastic. The TV stand we bought from Walmart. We can put storage cubes in there if we really wanted to. Also, we have plants now. So we have this cute little succulent that sits in the living room, and this other spiky plant, to be honest, I don't know what it's called. But outside on our little patio, we have a basil plant, parsley, and and cilantro, which we all got at the farmer's market that is downtown, which is a beautiful experience. So many products. I'll definitely be filming that at some point. Yeah, so we got all of those at the farmer's market. The other two we got at Walmart during one of our huge, we're moving into a new apartment. We have nothing. We need to buy things. Shopping trip. This is our master bedroom. We have our king-size bed with memory foam mattress, which is, oh my god, life-changing. The two dressers that were originally green, we painted white. And check this out. Alexa, turn on the lamp.
Okay.
Here is the master bathroom. These tiles are amazing. I love the grays and the whites. If you can't tell by this entire apartment, we have plenty of storage space. We've got drawers, we've got shelves. So the next space is the office, which is another beautiful room that's in our apartment. I am so stoked to finally have an office. And overall just creative person, I don't love the idea of working and sleeping in the same room or working and eating in the same room. I like to have that separation to allow my mind to take a break from the constant shooting and editing and emails and just the mess that is videography and being a creative. So for us to be able to have this space for Zach to do his schoolwork, for me to do my editing, for us to answer emails, to talk work things in this space is huge. And it was one of the main reasons, it was the reason that we wanted a 2-bedroom apartment rather than 1 bedroom. And in our office we have this storage closet for just about everything that doesn't fit anywhere else. So that includes like our suitcases, sports equipment, workout equipment, holiday things for Christmas, Halloween, St. Patrick's Day.
We're also planning on putting string lights in the office, but we haven't gotten that far yet.
So we also have a guest bathroom, which has the shower curtain from when I was living in my college apartment. But it just is kind of a storage area for us. It doesn't get used obviously as much as the master bathroom, but it's cute, it's pretty, and guests are able to use it, I guess. So this apartment complex is brand new. If you guys watched our video back in February of when we got engaged and when we decided which apartment we were going to pick, this apartment was still under major construction. The pool wasn't done, there were tarps everywhere, the rooftop wasn't done, and a lot of the rooms were still under construction. They were not finished. So we were able to tour one of the finished rooms and we were able to tour the rooftop. And here's what it looks like right now. It is stunning. Honestly, some of the best views of Greenville. So we wanted to live downtown, at least for the first year. So I'm sure you're wondering, yes, rent is stupid expensive, but we are literally within walking distance of pretty much anywhere that we want to go. There's so many good restaurants and things to do. The baseball field is right across the street. We're probably 15 minutes from the falls, maybe 10-minute walk from anywhere downtown. And we're super pumped to be here and to be starting our lives together and to be in an apartment that we created ourselves. We handpicked everything in this apartment except for the appliances, obviously, and the wall colors, but everything else is perfect. So welcome to our apartment. We're so excited to be here. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for more Greenville updates. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Some other apartment aesthetic things. I have a Bath & Body Works candle in every single room. So love candles. I bought probably 10 of them when they had their semi-annual $8 candle sale during Christmas. So whoops, but it's coming in handy right now because literally one in every room.